Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get an Uber Eats promo code. Alright, let's begin. First, grab your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or Android and head over to the website named findcode.club. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Uber. Now, a bunch of search results will be displayed. You just need to select Uber Eats and then scroll down to find the available promo codes. When you see the available codes, click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. Keep in mind that these codes are limited, so it's important to unlock your personal code to prevent others from using it. This way, you can ensure that you get the discount on your order. Also, you will need to complete some offers or try some apps to unlock the code. Once you complete the survey, get back to the website and the promo codes will be unlocked. So that's basically how you can get an Uber Eats coupon code. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.